Here the cat's playing, okay? Ruining my jacket.
Go get it, Ralph. Get it.
Come on, do something, you guys.
She's gonna pull it onto the floor. There you go. They have gone behind the suitcase. There's Velcro.
Ooh. That's the way she plays with that.
So aren't these the two cutest cats in the whole world? Yes, they are.
It's like, what the heck?
Get her! Get her! Get her!
Ooh. Ooh, I hope... Did she flip?
She almost did.
These cats can flip like you wouldn't believe. Better than David Lee Roth could ever do.
I got nobody. Bam.
It's just like her. Zoom in on her and she goes to attack. I apologize if this is going blurry or anything. Oh, I followed her to the T.
Here comes Bat. Here she goes.
Smell my feet.
Are you gone in, Bat? Hang on a second, let me lick my foot.
That's a pleasant sight. She looks up.
I cover it up. This noise is me and Chris.
Oh,
God.
Cat.
What do you see in there now? That's the last cat.
I'm gonna stop it here. Okay, who knows where she went?
What we're going to do is we're going to demonstrate how to walk a cat on a leash. I'll go into the other room, and I will guarantee that I will have the cat following me by using this leash.
By the way, on the clock, it's 5:15
A.M.
Wednesday morning. Okay, for you people shaking your heads that it's 5:15 a.m. Wednesday morning and we're awake, hold it up in the air.
This is how you walk a cat
Oh.
with a leash. Now, the surefire way to make a cat not want to walk, simply take the leash
And put it on her.
and attach it to their collar.
Look at my big feet.
Okay, ready? Now you get the cat to walk. Doesn't work very well, does it?
Damn, why is this going out of focus?
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Taking cat for a drag.
Look at that.
Oh, I love you, baby. Oh. Taking cat for a... See? She'll walk.
She'll even run.
But if it's attached, you don't want it. Are you taping?
Yeah, now I am.
This is how a mother cat cleans her kittens.
Oh. Look at the cat looking at you like, what?
Here you go. This is my baby kitty, my pretty kitty. Pretty kitty Velcro.
Listen to her meow.
She must have just went.
It's like, focus, thank you.
Get that crazy kitty.
Hold it up in the air, see if they both stand up. Huh?
Come on, kitty. Get that kitty. Now probably everybody at home's going, we like the little black one better. He's so much fun.
Look at that. I love the way she stands up.
Go get it, Velcro. Get it, get it, get it, get it. And Velcro is the cat that I got Easter time of, what would it be, 1990. And I got Bat at Christmas time, 1990. Velcro is the beige, good-looking, cute, pretty cat.
That one.
And Bat is the funny-looking black one.
That one. The skinny black one.
She's funny-looking. She's got a goofy face. She looks like Johnny Lamb. How to walk a cat on a leash or something. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee.
Well, anyway.
This is like the official cat house video of the 1992 Olympics.
Oh, that's sick.
Yeah.